You want to be in a movie? No?
Bojangles, bitches. Bojangles.
We in here. They said they had the world's best chicken, and it's a battle between KFC, which shouldn't even be in that map.
I'm gonna tell you a funny story real quick. So back in Salisbury, KFC used to have all-you-can-eat chicken on a buffet. My friend went in there, it took the whole pan out, and they discontinued all-you-can-eat buffet there.
Way to
Kevin
go.
Smith, giving you a shout out, buddy.
Way to go, Kevin Smith. Ruined all you can eat chicken for everybody. So today's the end of day one. We drove about 11, 12 hours. We ended up in Chattanooga, Tennessee. So we're gonna sleep for the night, get back to it in the morning. Next stop tomorrow, Texas. Oh, good morning, bud.
There you go.
Yeah, we're working on it. It's day two, time to get it started. We're gonna leave, where are we at? Chattanooga, Tennessee, and head into Texas. Wish you blew up the spot. My man was supposed to give you free coffee and he didn't. And now announced it to everybody in the world.
Sausage, egg, and cheese combo with me.
I had to pay for my coffee. He's like, for real? I said, yeah. He says, let me give you a biscuit.
You got the free biscuit.
Fucking biscuit.
Did you get some jam?
Mm.
Jelly?
It's the Cinnabiscuit.
Oh, the cinnamon biscuit.
Still got the keys?
Oh yeah, I got the keys.
To be able to hang on to it, I feel like it's been in the family a long time.
We're taking this exit.
Oh, they can't even see it. So that's Mardi Gras traffic, which goes right into New Orleans, and we are not going that way.
Thank God for that.
Ding ding. You know, sometimes taking a chance and just going for it is absolutely 110% worth it. Look, I drove halfway across the country, not even really sure, you know, I'll give you guys the inside scoop. Up until today, I hadn't even talked to Alex on the phone. So I talked to Alex today, and, you know, here we are. So it's just amazing what can happen sometimes when you just go out on a whim and go crazy and say, yeah, I'll drive across the country to interview somebody that I've never met before. You know, and regardless of who it is, you know, race car driver or not, celebrity or not, you know, just driving across the country to meet somebody you've never met before is kind of a big deal. You know, regardless of what position in life they're in and what you're doing with it. But I'm excited because Alex says we're going to talk about some stuff that that has never been talked about before. Like, we are getting exclusive. We are going wild with this one. So I am very, very excited. And I got a funny feeling it's probably going to be more than the half hour we usually allot to guests.
clutch and stop the car. Then you've got your line lock. So now I'm gonna set my brake pressure at 300 pounds.
Okay.
So that now I let off the brake, but the front brakes are still set.
Yeah.
So that's gonna keep. Elon Musk's flamethrower is nothing compared to that thing. Nothing compared to that. Nothing compared to that. Nothing compared to that.
So, it is super, super late, like 1 a.m., 2 a.m., depending on what time zone you're in. After podcast night, the Alex Laughlin podcast is, without a doubt, the largest viewed podcast I've done to date already. And the first, like before we even, like as soon as I hit the end button, it was the best viewed one on everything. Oh.
I mean, I get in trouble, but I don't give a fuck.
Look, we're all racers. When we say push one gun,
True story. So, we're somewhere outside of Tennessee, stayed in a hotel last night. I swear, I stopped in a hotel, not because it looked cheap, because it was probably the only hotel in the area. Come up here and I said, hey, got a room for two? They said, yep, got one bed left. Great. So I get all checked in. Room is $41. Great deal. Place looks okay from the outside. Come in and, well, they had the heat turned all the way up. And the beds weren't made. And I felt like somebody, right off the bat, I felt like someone had already just walked out of the room, and then the room, the housekeepers didn't take care of it or switch it up. But I got thinking, I got Googling. Some of these cheap hotels and motels, they turn the heat all the way up, kill the bed bugs. This is how we come into our room. I'm still itching. Can you tell me how to kill bed bugs? I think I got some inside my ear. They got new air conditioning on in. I think they admit they room 102.
Down more that way. Down more that way. Stayed in that room. I'm like, well, babe, I was coming.
The problem is that we both saw it, and the fucking two of us said, you know what? $41 room. That's a smoking fucking deal.
It's a bed bug deal. It's a fucking, it's a damn good bed bug deal.
We were blinded by the fucking savings.
Shit, we walked down, I think we were paralyzed from the heat stroke. We had a fucking heat stroke.
The fucking walls were sweating.
Oh my god.
I
The
thought-
pillows thought they were on fire.
I thought somebody was having sex in a room because the fucking window
Hey,
was
look,
fogged
when we
up.
open that up, I'm thinking, man, I think somebody's standing in this motherfucker. Look at these pillows, they're not even fixed.
And you damn sure let me go the fucking first.
I'm like, you go, bro.
Yeah,
And
go ahead.
maybe
It's all you. It's all you.
Hey,
You
look,
got it.
Look, so Gracie, if shit's going on outside the house and I'm at home, I'm like, Gracie, just go ahead out there, baby, check on it real quick. And so if they get you, I'll shoot them, okay?
Let me know what's going on. You got my number.
You got my
right?
number. Call me
You
real
got
quick.
my number.
Let me know. I'll shut the door right now, okay?
And now I'm home. It's like 2 in the morning, but I'm here.